More than 30 faculty, students, and a scientist from the Texas Tech Health Sciences Center are at the state capitol to advocate for their legislative priorities.
KCBD News Channel 11's Sydney Lowther joins us in the studio with the top priorities they are focusing on for this session. Sydney.
Karen Abner, the Texas Tech Health Sciences Center is asking Texas legislators for $6.75 million to establish an institute for telehealth technology and innovation. This institute will be used to expand healthcare across rural communities.
What this ask will do will allow us to go into our rural communities that we support and find ways to further support them so that we can continue to grow access to care.
Dr. Lori Rice Spearman, the president of Texas Tech Health Sciences Center, says telehealth care allows patients to visit with the healthcare provider in the comfort of their own home or office. This eliminates the issues of anxiety, transportation, and spreading illnesses.
So healthcare of the future is going to be technology enabled, and our comfort level with it makes us not afraid to reach out through it.
Dr. Rice Spearman says West Texans are dying at a much higher rate than Texans on the east side of the state.
That by continuing to grow this technology, we feel like this will help lessen the gap that we have in healthcare disparities out here in West Texas.
This institute will focus on 3 pillars of expanding telehealth care in rural areas: access to care,
we work with our communities, go in and ask them what do they need, how can we continue to grow your access,
research,
the evidence-based research on telehealth and digital health, and if it's appropriate for treatment of certain diseases and if it's not.
And academics.
We would train clinicians to be able to do and help deliver healthcare via telehealth.
Dr. Rice Spearman says the institute will be built on existing platforms that have been providing telehealth care for 35 years. Karen Abner.
Thank you, Sydney.